Hello, my dear students of class 9 and 10. I am Mr. Monwar Hussain, an English teacher of Madhavdi Aspi Institution, Madhavdi Norsindi. Now I am going to discuss on English first paper a topics selected by me, the Statue of Liberty, one of the topics of the World Heritage Sites. It's a large topic. As a result, I have written down some necessary informations on the whiteboard so that I can make the passage understandable to all the learners in short. My dear learners, I like to request you to open your textbook at page 116 and 117 to be able to understand the passage very well. At first, I like to mention some years when necessary activities to construct the statue were performed. You can see clearly first the years of activities. I like to remind you that America was declared independent on July 4, 1776. As a result, the France government, as a token of friendship, decided to present the Statue of Liberty to the US people to celebrate their centennial of Independence Day in 1876. The France people collected the needful money needed for the construction of the statue. Auguste Bartholdi, a sculptor of France, was assigned to design the statue in 1876. You can see the statue's original torch was constructed in 1876, which was at first sent to the USA to highlight the celebration to be held in 1876, and it was also sent in 1876 as the statue was decided to be constructed with the joint venture of the people of the USA and France. US donors collected the needful money for the construction of the pedestal. In 1884, France completed the statue in July. In 1885, the needed money was collected from the US donors in order to construct the pedestal. You can see in 1885, France sent the statue to New York on board the French warship Isere. In 1886, thousands of people see the anniversary of unveiling the statue on October 1886, 28th October. Then in 1984, you can see 1984, the torch was replaced by a new copper torch covered in 24K gold leaf. In 1916, access to the torch was closed by the American government. In 2011, the Statue of Liberty was also named Liberty Enlightening the World Wide Web. It is because of making it more acceptable with the help of information technology to the world communities. These are the informations of the activities according to the years performed with the joint effort of the people of France and the USA. Here I like to make you clear, explaining some necessary informations. The Statue of Liberty was gifted by France as a token of friendship, but it has a great importance for the people of 7 continents and the independent countries of all these continents. I like to give you some necessary information regarding the persons related to construct the statue. You can see first Frederick August Bartholdi, who was the designer of the statue with the engineering help of Gustave Eiffel, who was a famous architect of France. Maurice, he was the designer of the pedestal of the statue. President Grover Cleveland, he unveiled the statue for the people of the world on 1886. You can see another name which is not mentioned in your passage, Roman goddess Liberta. Actually, the Statue of Liberty is designed by Frederick August Bartholdi following the replica of Roman goddess Liberta. The word Liberta represents liberty or independence. My dear learners, I like to make you clear your idea about the importance of the Statue of Liberty. Actually, Statue of Liberty is the statue that symbolizes the liberty of the world. Though France gifted the statue to the USA people, but it has become the symbol of global independence, and it marks the millions of immigrants to the United States. My dear learners, I like to mention some needful words which are written down in the passage, and you are to learn the synonyms of the words assigned. You can see assigned, attributed or imputed, design, graph, plan, sketch, and so forth. There are so many synonyms. Anniversary, jubilee, declaration, announcement and proclamation, venture, jeopardy, danger, pedestal, plinth, obliques, unveiling, opening, symbolize, indicate, lobby, force. Dear learners, if you go through your textbooks, you will find these informations, and I have summarized my idea going through the topics for your better learning. I like to show you some questions to be solved by you on the basis of reading the context. First, where is the statue located? You know that the statue is located on Liberty Island, but formerly this island was known to the world's people as Badlos Island. It is in New York City in America. The island where this statue is located is Badlos Island. Now it is called Liberty Island. Which country gave the statue as a gift? You know that the statue was given to the people of the USA by France as a token of friendship. Number 3, for which country was the gift meant? This gift was meant for the USA, as the statue was gifted to the people of the USA to celebrate their anniversary of the 100th anniversary of their Independence Day. On what occasion was it given? It was given on the occasion of celebrating their 100th anniversary of Independence Day in 1876. Number 5, when did the statue reach its destination? You can see the statue reached its destination in 1885, and France sent it on board their warship Ivory. Number 6, what does the statue represent? The statue represents the independence of the countries of the world. And it also marks the immigrant of millions of people to the USA. It has become a symbol of global friendship and global independence. You know that the statue is in the form of a woman, and it is similar to the Roman goddess Liberta, and you will find there are some broken chains lying at her feet, and it symbolizes the freedom of movement. That means the freedom of democracy, the freedom of the people of the independent countries. What does the expression enlightening the world indicate? You know, this is the symbol of global freedom. So it indicates the independence of the countries of the world, and also it indicates democracy, which would be free from all sorts of suppression. And you have to remember, America is the country in the world which pokes its nose over all the countries where democracy is jeopardized, where democracy is threatened. And this statue enables America or offers America authority to take necessary steps for the preservation of democracy. I like to request you to write the answers of the questions in your text notebooks from the text and the synonyms of the words mentioned on the board from your text. Thank you very much for today's discussion. I like to see you again in my next class. Assalamu alaikum, and my heartiest greetings on behalf of the teachers of Madhavdiya Spin Institution, Madhavdi Narsinghi.